Hi class, welcome to today's math lesson. We are starting a new chapter. We just finished up our addition and we felt like that was pretty easy peasy. So now we're going to start subtraction. I'm going to let you think for a moment. What do you think subtraction is? If we just did addition where we take two numbers and put them together, subtraction is the opposite. We're going to start with a big number and take some out, so we're left with a smaller number. So let's look at our dog bowl. We're going to do one subtraction story. I'm going to draw circles. You can draw circles as well. Do whatever you feel like to show our story. All right, so in our food bowl, it says 6 pieces are in the bowl. So I'm going to draw 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There are 6 pieces in the bowl. Now I want you to pick up your pencil and put an X on 3 pieces. So 3 pieces are gone. 1, 2, 3. Now, how many pieces are left? So we're going to count the ones that have not been X'd out. That means those are left. So count the ones without an X. 1, 2, 3. So how many pieces are left? 3. We just did a subtraction story. So we started with 6 pieces. We took away 3, and we are left with 3. All right, let's keep practicing. I want you to turn your page. Looks like we're at the grocery store. So I'm going to draw circles again. Look at number 1. It says 4 boxes of cereal are on the belts. I guess I can draw squares for that, or rectangles. 4 boxes. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 boxes. Then it says 1 is taken away. So I'm going to do the same thing and draw an X on 1 box. There's 1 I've X'd out. How many boxes are left? So how many do not have an X? Count them. 1, 2, 3. So we started with 4 boxes of cereal. 1 box is taken away. There are 3 boxes left. Go on down to number 2. There are 3 cans of corn on the shelf. So I'm going to draw 3 cans. 1, 2, 3. 2 cans are taken off the shelf. So X out 2 cans. 1, 2. How many cans are left? Remember, left are the ones that we have not X'd out. So there is only 1 can left on the shelf. We started with 3 cans. 2 cans were taken away. 1 can is left. We just did some subtraction. I hope you think it's not too bad, just like we thought about addition. So let's go ahead and skip on your own. I'm going to let you do that by yourself after. And let's go to the problem solving page. Looks like we've got some more food bowls. All right, put your finger on number 5. There are 3 pieces of food. We see those 3 pieces of food in the bowl. 2 pieces are eaten. So I'm going to cross off 2 pieces. 1, 2. How many are left? Remember, are left are the ones that are not X'd out. So how many are left? 1. We're going to go over to our line and write a 1 because we started with 3, 2 eaten, and then there's 1 left. Go down to number 6. There are 7 pieces of food in this bowl. 2 pieces are eaten, so I'm going to X out 2 pieces. 1, 2. How many are left? Let's count the ones that are left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We're going to write a 5 on our line. We started with 7, 2 were eaten, and there are 5 left. Now go down to number 7, our last food bowl. There are 10 pieces in this bowl. Only 1 piece was eaten, so let's cross out 1 piece. How many pieces are left? Go ahead and count the ones we did not X out. All right, I'm going to write the answer. If you got 9 pieces left, you are correct. All right, guys, continue working on subtraction. Go back and do on your own page, then finish up with the homework. I will see your submissions on Schoology. And if you have any questions, come to me tomorrow morning with some subtraction questions. All right, guys, have a great rest of your day.